Thanks for logging on. I'm meteorologist Sean Patrick with your most accurate forecast. Well, this little stretch of below average temperatures coming to an end as we roll closer to the weekend. Big ridge of high pressure building in here. That means those temperatures are going to start to go up, some of the warmest we've seen so far this year. So it's been about 7 straight days now with below average daytime highs going all the way back to about last Friday here. We started the month off nice and warm, but yeah, the last week, wherever you see these blue colors here, those are below average temperatures for us. We are also going to see those winds pick back up again on Friday here in the valley out of the east at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. Northern Arizona, the Colorado River Valley, you're going to see those winds as well, generally out of the northeast. You could be seeing some gusts upwards around 25 miles an hour for your Friday. And that's only going to compound the allergy problem out there, right? I mean, if you're not sneezing and wheezing already, you've been pretty good here. But the allergens right now, mulberry, juniper, and ash, that's going to continue right on through this weekend until it's just too hot here for life to survive by April, May, and June, right? But hey, it looks like we did have a few leftover clouds up across northern Arizona, maybe a few snow flurries here and there, not amounting to all too much throughout the day today. It's just going to continue to kick on out of here as we head into Friday. More high clouds move in to wrap up this work week. After that, that's when that ridge of high pressure really starts to build in here and jump those temperatures up for us this weekend and really right on into next week. So one more chilly morning here in the valley tomorrow. We'll see temperatures in the mid 40s to start your Friday off, but those daytime highs jump up quickly. We'll be approaching 70 degrees by your lunch hour tomorrow, and then those daytime highs anywhere from about 73 to 75 degrees on your Friday afternoon. So if you're planning a road trip this weekend up north, Flagstaff, you're going to be in the 40s and 50s there. Sedona and Prescott should see daytime highs in the 50s and 60s. So absolutely beautiful there, but yeah, it's going to be downright cold across the high country early Friday morning still. Flagstaff at around 17 there to start your day off, 21 in Heber and Show Low. Daytime highs in the White Mountains tomorrow, right around 50 in Show Low. That should say 54 in Heber, not 84. That would be something. 57 in Prescott and Payson tomorrow. But here in the valley, we'll see the day start off with temperatures in the low to mid 40s for most spots. Should be right around 42 in Queen Creek, 44 Chandler and Gilbert, and those daytime highs back up a little close to where they should be for a mid-March. 74 in Chandler, Tempe, 73 from Mesa, right on up into Scottsdale. And we'll bring in that 7-day forecast for you. We'll pick up those breezes both Friday and Saturday as that ridge of high pressure builds in here. The 80s back for the first time in quite a while on Sunday, and then we continue to see those temperatures build right on into the middle of next week, hitting 86 by next Wednesday. We'll have a disturbance move through by the end of next week, though, and help knock those temperatures right back down into the 70s and a slight chance of rain next Thursday.